I am in love with the language of light. For the messages of love and support and guidance that I receive and send. The sacred geometry of language, the sacred geometry of light, expressed in all things, Turmoya, in all of creation. Marobe ranketa visaparivishano baki antaviki poto untu yavasopashanaki. Paraisa vasamoravishano ma antavika bolushavishana tiata otu. Otu vishimi baki atavishamasa. Filame malamavakiahi nayali. Miaroya. Experience the layers of multidimensional codes within this song of this multiversal language. Pashamiki Vesaporivishani Itea Fajuni Rai Mahevawa Vazumun Tuvikapeta and Tiava Kosovishani Si Shayamayava. Immerse yourselves in the sounds of light. Timiamalavakotovishamramiya Asanto I say Vishimimai Abikali Visamonamada Keta Visaporavishanyam Bakatia Hokuayana Valley Seveshio Ovali Vasaporuku Nimiyaiwa Akaya Sukuayana Avakatavishamaniawakwa. Conversing with the elementals, for that is your true nature. Chivisamoravianumalavakeatania. Maro untavekainia. Sokokoyabakaya niatu. Akativisaposhi. Omonomaleveseke teviso. Ovashina miavakomanavasavetuku. Payanite. Payashununu akivete apoa. Maru miavakea. Nyaruya. Tavisumoshe. Non to you moya heavy moya. Nunca ya pa inteva unter vi ento impa ente pa unto gato unto que ya para vishana pa diava sapana hiaba anta. And I feel the Lyrans, the Arcturians, specifically in this moment. Namiawa kotuparavia samana vyashoko. Mu kwashi wahaki vahimo kwahato unu. Maya, stretch your bodies, stretch your minds, and feel yourselves. Raise your vibration. Hai vayana keleve samato. Poko tu visamoshivya. Sokolaima Abahe Antea Amoa. Just be. As many your moments, just be. Nashimaeva konumaraveo, morumeata. Be with all of you. Be with all things. Step into your own higher consciousness. Recibe shimiave como tu hai, come vivo rumea, narunea. You are the artist creating this now moment. You. We, together, are creating this moment. Ashemia. Deepen the sense of serenity within you. Feel the connection to all that is. For the one is the all. The one is all. That is all there is. For you are the one. The one is the all. The one is made up of the all, and you are a part of the all. You are cosmic source energy. You are that which you call God. There is nothing that is not within or without. You're to remember now, as we, your guides, are here with you for your awakening call. Nashiaya Marame Avakene Seteashu Vajano Kumbashamonte Kireshonomaya. Feel the place of no separation. Feel the place where all consciousness is one. Ayamale vene keshano. Avakainite heshiki. Vashinite samana. Maleveana. Foromaketivishu. You are light. You are sound. You are a physical creation that is but light and sound. Namo Maya Yanaya. You are pure consciousness, experiencing this expression of yourself. And we are delighted to witness your awakening, for it expands us in ways you can't even imagine. As we feel this now with you, through you, we are new. We see more and more of all that we are through your consciousness. We are the illuminaries, the light of consciousness, sharing this divine expansion with you. Experiencing more and more of our own divinity. Exploring more and more of our own consciousness. Because of you. Maravishayamaka.